welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Maricel. So for today's video, mga kamars, no, I am going to show you on how to cook a puto bolanghoy or a puto cassava. And also, I am going to show you some plants that we have in our surroundings here. And yeah, so join me on my adventure. So join me, please watch me till the end so that you will enjoy. I hope you enjoy anyway. So yeah, so mga kamars, no, so this is the puto bolanghoy. The bolanghoy, I mean, this is a bolanghoy plant. So if you pull it up like that, there's a lot of bolanghoy right there. It's very healthy. Look at that. So now I'm going to clean this is the bolanghoy. Very big, very fat. So now I'm going to clean it. So mo to guys, no, after nimo i-clean ang cassava, the next step is you have to banggo that like this, grated, I think in English, and then so usually this pag banggo nimo, it takes time, usually half hour or 1 hour. It depends on how much or how many cassava you have. So yeah, like this. As you can see, this is the cassava. So
one eternity later.
So guys, after magka-good, so ano na siya, amo na siyang kumutan, kuhaan og ganang duga. Like that. Gumadar like that. And then, you're gonna imuha ng tungtungan siya. Like for example, we're going to like this. Wait, like that. You need like this. Imuha siyang tunggan para makuha ang duga sa kuan sa cassava para dili siya mag-agkut inag luto nimo. Guys, nagtunog sila. Grabe ra ka relax, oh. Wow. Grabe ra ka relax sila nagtunog, oh, naglingkod ra haya oy. And then mo to guys, no, after gitumban, kuhaan og kanang duga. So this is the result now. After that, you're going to like this. Imuha siyang kanang spread. Ato siyang dugmokon kay as you can see tibuok man siya whole. So we need to do like this. So after that guys, we need to get the coconut. So mga guys, no, we need to kagod-kagod na coconut para isagol sa balanghoy. I like coconut.
One eternity later.
So, mao to guys, no, mao ni ang result. after pag pino-pino, sumao na siya guys, arang pinuha na kayo. So after that, we need to put sugar. This one. After that, you need to mix it. And then, after the sugar, so mato guys no, after we mix the sugar with the cassava, the next thing to do is you add also the grated coconut and mix it. And mix it well. So mao to guys no, after that we need to add water. Ato anang ikuan, magluto na tayo so good. So I am going to add water. After that guys, we pour the mixed coconut with sugar and the cassava. Like this. And now it's ready to cook. And look at that guys, we also had a jackfruit here, which is when you took this on the jackfruit tree. So look at that guys, we have this jackfruit. Yeah, so let's eat. You want some? Come to my home. I'll give you some fruits here. Hi. My asset. I have a 2 dimple guys. Okay. So, finally guys, naluto na siya. Ang puto balanghoy. So, this is it. And look at that. That's my nephew. Anyway, so let's try it. This one. Let's taste it. I want you to taste it, Harian. What can you say about it? It's good? Wow, that's great. So, guys, if you want to know how to cook or how to make a puto balanghoy, just watch my videos. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click the bell so you will be updated on my new update video. So that's it guys for today. Thank you so much. Love you. Mother. Say hi, Mother. And then it's guys, I have milk here, an egg, and we have here a pancit, a rice. What is this? A pancit, and the Puto bolanghoy. My mother cooked me a chicken. We have a lot of foods here already. Look what we have in our freezer. Oh, we have a chicken and kamuting kahdahon and ice cream. It's ta-da! It's a prank. Inside is the soap, fish soap. And my mother also put the grated coconut and water. What's this? What is this? A cupcake. This is a cupcake, okay? Anyway, I've already eaten. I'm full. Anyway, we have an Indian mango here. A honey. Oops. We have a honey, natural, pure honey. And a coffee. So that's it. And why did you imong timplahan milk, which is I don't ask you to make me a milk. My mother wants me to eat every day, every hour. She look at that a milk, but I don't like this cup. Anyway, so oh my god, our dining area. So delicious. Looks delicious, but I always eat every day. I mean every seconds, every hour. Every hour day. Now look, I have a, by the way, I just changed clothes. I just took a bath. So now this is my clothes I wear. Look at that mango.
Yes, magandang hapon po. Bali,
And by the way, mga kamars, no, I have something to show you that which I have planted last week, which is this apple. I have planted an apple, guys, last week. Look at that, this one. I need to clean this. There's a lot of grass surrounded. Look at that, this one. This is apple. I hope it grows. Which is I tried to plant up apple, so I have to see if it grows. I hope it grow. So I have also, so these are the rocks that I put it around him, around the plants. So yeah, since, oh, look at that, since the lawn is very dry, I am going to get some water to pour this, to pour the, I want to pour this apple. So let's get a water, a cup of water right here. Okay, so this is the water from the kitchen that is used. So I will use this as pang pour sa plants. So let's go. Look at that. So let's pour the apple tree. Baby apple. Look at that. I hope you grow apple so I can harvest an apple here. I hope you grow, okay? Grow, 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 grow. And I put a rock around them, around the apple, so looks like this is very asset. Looks like, look at that rock. It's look like valuable, very heavy. So this apple is valuable too to me, so I put valuable rocks. So look at that, different rocks.
What? What the fuck?
Look at this, gold. Look at that, gold. This one as well. Look. Look at that. Look at that. And also this one. See? These are valuable rocks. There's a value on this rock. Flower. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry guys, if you want to go here, you can have a table. We have 4 table, okay? And this is the view. We have a flower here. Do you like a flower? Anyway, this is a rose flower. And I'm going to pick some flower now too, because this flower is real flower. This is an artificial flower, and these are real. So they all did, no? I need to put some water too, and also I'm going to pick flower too next day, maybe in the next days. So yeah, I have also a royal water. Okay, so that's it guys. So let's get some flower, guys. Let's pick some flower here. Let's pick a flower here. And yeah, I'm going to put this on our base as a decoration. Look at that. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Smell good. Oh, do you see this, guys? Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is tubog. We used this when I was a little kid. When I was a kid, I mean, we used this as a toy, like that. I'll show you. But it's too small. We need to get a big one. Here. Same, small. I'll get one. Oh, it's a lot. Look at that. It's like a honey. You know, a bee tree. I mean, a bee house. Look at that. It looks like a bee house, you know. I'm in Switzerland, guys. Look at that. A cow. A cow. Look at that. See? Look at that cow. Hi, cow. How are you? Are you okay? You can understand English, or you speak Bisaya? Speak Bisaya. No. Come on. Oops. Oh. Oh, you're naughty cow. So guys, I'm going to pick some flowers, guys, and I've seen a flower right there. Oops, oops, oops. Here, look at that. It's a purple flower. It's a wildflower, you know. Look, I'm gonna pick this. I'm going to put this on my vase cup as a design. Okay, let's get this one. All right, where is it? Oh, the flower doesn't like me to be inside a vase. He wants to be alive. Look at that. This is what I'm going to put. Look at that, guys. These are the flowers. Oh my god. So these are the flowers that I got, guys. Look, a purple, and this flower is so beautiful. And I am going to put this in the vase here. Here, look, this one I'm going to change this, remove this dry plants, and I'm going to put this one. Look, it's so beautiful. Look, it is so beautiful, right? Look at that. It's so, I like it. Wow, I like it. See, look at that, guys. It's a beautiful view. Yeah. Oh la la. Look, it's good for a picnic. Good view, right? It's a beautiful view. Here, Ew. Okay, right? Look at that. It's a beautiful view with the nature. Guys, musakat na tagbuntod.